Ever wondered how many businesses are humming along, scheduling, invoicing, and keeping their customers happy with just one piece of software? I mean, really think about it. In a world where every service professional from landscapers to cleaners to HVAC techs are scrambling to stay organized, there's got to be a go-to solution, right? We throw around terms like industry standard and market leader, but what do those words actually mean in terms of real numbers? How many people are putting their trust in a single platform, day in and day out? Because let's be honest, choosing the right business management software is a big deal. It's not just about fancy features or a slick interface. It's about finding a tool that can grow with you, handle the chaos, and ultimately, make your life easier. Imagine you're a small business owner. You're juggling appointments, chasing payments, and trying to keep your team on the same page. You need something that simplifies everything, a digital assistant that never sleeps. You've probably heard whispers about Jobber, but is it just another buzzword? Or is it the real deal? That's the question we're tackling today. We're diving deep into the world of Jobber, not just to tell you what it does, but to reveal the scale of its impact. We're going to explore how many people are actually using Jobber and what that number tells us about its role in the service industry. Now, before we get to the big reveal, let's take a step back and understand why this matters. Why should you care how many people use Jobber? Well, first and foremost, numbers tell a story. They paint a picture of trust, reliability, and market penetration. A large user base suggests that a product has been vetted by thousands of professionals, that it stood the test of time, and that it's likely to be a safe bet for your own business. Think of it like choosing a restaurant. If you see a line out the door, you're more likely to assume the food is good, right? The same principle applies to software. A large and growing user base is a strong indicator of quality and effectiveness. Secondly, understanding the scale of Jobber's user base can give you a sense of the community you'd be joining. When you choose a software platform, you're not just buying a product, you're becoming part of a network. A large community means more resources, more support, and more opportunities to learn from other professionals. And finally, it's about context. In a crowded marketplace, knowing where a particular platform stands in relation to its competitors can help you make an informed decision. It's about understanding the landscape and choosing the tool that's best suited for your specific needs. So, let's get down to brass tacks. How many people are using Jobber? The answer, as of the latest publicly available data, is that Jobber serves over 200,000 home service professionals across the globe. That's a significant number. It's a testament to Jobber's growth and its impact on the service industry. But what does that number really mean? It means that over 200,000 businesses, from small startups to established enterprises, are relying on Jobber to manage their operations. It means that thousands of technicians are using the Jobber mobile app to stay connected with their teams and their customers. It means that millions of invoices are being sent and processed through the Jobber platform every year. But it's not just about the raw numbers. It's about the stories behind those numbers. It's about the landscaper who was able to double their revenue by streamlining their scheduling process. It's about the cleaning company that was able to improve their customer satisfaction by providing real-time updates and transparent communication. It's about the HVAC technician who was able to reduce their administrative workload and spend more time in the field. These are the real stories of Jobber's impact. These are the stories that illustrate the power of effective business management software. Now, let's delve a little deeper into what makes Jobber so popular. What are the features and functionalities that have attracted such a large and loyal user base? Jobber is designed to be an all-in-one solution for home service businesses. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools for scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, payments, and customer management. One of its key strengths is its user-friendly interface. Jobber is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, even for those who are not tech-savvy. This is crucial for small business owners who don't have the time or resources to spend hours learning complex software. Another key feature is its mobile app. The Jobber mobile app allows technicians to access all the information they need while they're in the field, including job details, customer information, and scheduling updates. This helps to improve efficiency and communication, and it ensures that everyone is on the same page. Jobber also offers robust invoicing and payment features. The platform allows businesses to create professional invoices, send them to customers electronically, and accept payments online. This helps to streamline the payment process and improve cash flow. In addition to these core features, Jobber also offers a range of other tools, such as automated reminders, customer follow-ups, and reporting and analytics. These tools help businesses to automate their workflows, improve customer engagement, and gain valuable insights into their performance. But perhaps the most important factor in Jobber's success is its focus on customer support. Jobber provides a range of support resources, including online tutorials, live chat, and phone support. This ensures that users can get the help they need when they need it. The 200,000 plus user figure isn't just a static number. It represents a dynamic and growing community. Jobber is constantly evolving and improving its platform based on feedback from its users. This commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction is a key factor in its continued success. And it's not just about the software itself. Jobber also provides a wealth of resources and educational content to help businesses succeed. This includes blog posts, webinars, and online courses. This commitment to education and support helps to empower businesses to grow and thrive. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.